Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok agency account. Right, so the first thing you want to do is just dial in TikTok agency. You'll actually be redirected to TikTok's ad manager or business profile account. So here, this is TikTok for business, and you can go ahead, click on get started, and it's very simple. What you need to do is enter your email address and a password over here, or you can just sign up with an existing TikTok account. Whichever one you use, you can go ahead and then click over here, check the box to agree to all their terms of services, and then the option to subscribe to their emails, their newsletters, events, and information. You can either check that on or off, and then click on continue. Step 2 now involves adding your business name, an optional website URL, the industry that your business falls in, and then your phone number, email address, and then you can click on this. And here you can customize your account a little bit further. This will include your country or region, your currency, and then also your time zone. Once you've entered all this information, you can click on get started. You'll find yourself on this page over here. You're going to go and click on accept. And on the left hand side here, you can create your campaigns, you can view your objectives, your campaign info, your ad content, your targeting and budgeting, and then you can also enter your payment details, and everything will be managed right from your TikTok ads manager as an agency.